Now, pag-usapan natin yung mga suspicious activity, no? Paano natin mare-recognize? May mga indicators of threats, no? Behavioral indicators, loitering without purpose, repeated visits without business, no? Pupunan natin yan eh. Avoiding camera o ayaw nila tumingin sa mga gwardiya, no? Nervous behavior, scanning exits, physical indicators, unattended packages, marami yan eh, no? Mga tampered locks or doors, no? Forced entry signs, no? Pupunan natin pag nag-rooming tayo. At ang delikado yung insider threat indicators, no? Unauthorized source, unauthorized access to, attempts, no? Employees acting beyond authority, data and property anomalies, no? Tandaan natin, every major crimes starts with small signals, no? Magpe-penetrate kasi yan. Kaya importance ng intelligence is the art of monitoring, no? Noticing what others ignore. Dapat din natin i-ignore yan. Now, punta tayo sa intelligence reporting process, no? The intelligence cycle, no? Number 1, observation, see and detect anomalies. Number 2, collection, gather facts, no? CCTV clips, witness statements, then documentations, no? Documentation number 3, sorry. Write logs and incident kung may mga reports, no? Number 4, analysis. Assess threat. Anong level yan and anong mga pattern nila, no? Number 5, dissemination. No, report to supervisors, superiors, management. Of course, sa police kung kinakailangan. No? Ano ba yung importance ng report writing? No? A report is not just paper, no? Hindi lang yan kaprasong papel. It is evidence, no? It is your voice in court kung kinakailangan. Napakahalaga ng ating papel bilang mga security officer at security guards. Mga kasama, a report is not a piece of paper, no? Hindi lang kaprasong papel yan. It is an evidence. It is your report. It is your voice in court. Huwag patatawag kayo. Mga legal documentation yan. Accountability, evidence in court, management, decision making, protection of the guard and agency. No? Sinasabit natin yan sa clients. No? At marami ng balita na yung ating report ay tinatanggap sa court. No? Nagiging evidence siya. No? Now, yung mga types of security reports, no? Where time DAR na tinatawag yung daily activity report. No? Mga security officer gumagawa niyan. No? Nakalagay dyan yung mga patrols conducted, observations, routine incidents kung meron man. Now, kung may incident reports, siyempre, ano yung accidents, no? Ano, crimes ba yan? No? Disturbances, no? Nakalagay yan dyan. At yung intelligence report natin, no? Mga suspicious activities, threat assessment, pattern observations, then magkakaroon ng after report activity, no? O sa iba tawa after action report, no? Post crisis evaluation, no? Mga lesson learned yan na dapat natutunan natin, no? Bilang mga professional guards. No, may principles na sinusunod sa report writing, no? Yung tatawag na the 6 C's, no? 6 na C's, no? Sa report writing, no? Clear, concise, complete, correct, chronological, no? Sunod-sunod, and court ready, no? Sabi ko nga, tinatanggap yan sa korte, no?